girls with their nails done now.
So guys, आज we both are training, me and my brother we are training shoulders, and in this video I'll be only explaining side deltoid कि कैसे train करना है उसको and how to start, how is your form, weights and all. We really don't care about any exercise. It's all about the form and technique. So we first begin side से देखना. This is how usually हमारा posture होता है because of all the work and all. So just retract your shoulders and your glutes, क्योंकि ये जो pelvic tilt है बाहर, that we don't want. Just squeeze your glutes, retract your shoulders, and then without any weight, just take an arm up. The reason I'm doing this is so that you can analyze the movement in your mind. After that, I gradually take a very lightweight. वहाँ पे तो सिर्फ handle लिया मैंने, this is approx 1 kilo, and the same thing. All the way down, all the way up. There is one more doubt about a side deltoid, that is कि if I go all the way up, जो मेरा trap है वो involve हो रहा है. It is fine, it's up to you. आप partial करोगे तो आपको उसकी आदत लग जाएगी. So it is better for you that you actually practice the full. After this और बहुत सारे side deltoid के variations है जिसमें I hold something, I hold a pillar or something, and then I lean. And then I'm doing my side deltoid, or I get on a bench and then I'm performing the raises. तो वो necessary नहीं है. I have been training घर पे for a long time now, and my shoulders are, I genuinely feel that they are not a weak point at all. I have only been doing this. When I lie down on the bench, the range of motion is very less. First of all, ये muscle बहुत छोटा है और आप उसमें भी range of motion cut कर लो. And even I don't like to lean because the leaning part is useless. क्योंकि जो tension है with the dumbbell, it is the same that you get while standing. So if you're leaning and if you're standing, it's the same thing. So why do that? Why to do that extra work and waste your time? So it's better to take the 2 dumbbells and do it standing. So again, retract your shoulders, chest out, and go up. अभी इसमें भी बहुत सारे लोग ये बोलते हैं कि हाथ को बेंड करो, एल्बो को बेंड करो, डंबल को पास में लाओ या थोड़ा आगे बेंड हो जाओ. नो, कुछ ज़रूरी नहीं है वो सब. नेचुरली एज यू आर, योर हैंड शुड बी नेचुरली वेयर इट इज. माई हैंड इज कमिंग टू माई पॉकेट, तो वहाँ पे मैं तो बाजू में रखो. एंड नो नीड टू engage your shoulder more by turning your hand or twisting your hand in any way. Naturally जैसे ऊपर आ रहा है वैसे उसको ऊपर आने दो. So that is the main point that you need to remember. बहुत लोग जिनको side deltoid, side raises का जो form पता है, they actually screw that up by doing this, forcibly doing the movement, forcing their pinky fingers to turn in, turn out or whatever that is. कोई ज़रूरत नहीं उसकी. All the way up, all the way down, naturally with your posture very straight, and you have got this movement. One more point that I want to add about side raises is that a little swing at the end of the set is fine, and number of sets or number of reps की मैंने बात ही नहीं की. So for side raises you can actually do 3 sets or even 4 sets. It really depends upon which कौन सा आप comfortable हो, कितना comfortable हो. You can also perform 5 sets of 10 reps. पर इतना याद रखना कि साइड रेजेस पे ज़्यादा टाइम भी मत लगाना. वो एक तो छोटा मसल है, ओवर ट्रेन नहीं करना है हमको. सो आई थिंक लाइक आई पर्सनली डू 4 सेट्स ऑफ 12 to 15 reps, एंड वार्म अप के अलग होते हैं. आई एम टॉकिंग अबाउट 4 वर्किंग सेट्स. वार्म अप 1 या 2 सेट होता है विथ वेरी लाइट वेट 20 reps. सो या रिगार्डिंग आइसोलेशन इन साइड रेजेस, आई एम नॉट अ बिग फैन ऑफ दैट बिकॉज आपका कोर जो है वो थोड़ा सा इम्बैलेंस में रहता है बिकॉज देर इज वेट ऑन लाइक जस्ट वन साइड. तो फॉर दैट, सो इफ सपोज आई if suppose I show you this, that if I'm doing this, so it is still effective, I do agree, but my core on one side is engaged more as compared to the other, and I do the same reps over here. So ये करना necessary नहीं है. If you want to train your core with shoulders on that day, it's fine, you can do that, it's great. But if you want to optimize the amount of time you have, you don't want to waste your time, so I would recommend you to do both, obviously. Also, while training shoulders, you need to train your anterior head first, और उसके बाद side laterals करना, क्योंकि if you perform your side laterals first and then you go for a barbell movement or dumbbell movement for your front deltoid, so you will feel the discomfort.